everyone, we are today here in this beautiful test field. Look at this pond of slightly green water, but I think it's going to be okay. And we are going to test this crazy thing that I showed you last week. And the only thing that I've done is tape the battery inside in the middle so the thing is balanced, and close it a little bit better so no water enters the hole. So there is only one thing left to do, so let's test it. Okay, this pond is not too deep and this thing doesn't have reverse, so I must maneuver carefully so I can take it out of there. Let me give it a try. We almost got it. I hope I have at least enough battery to get it out of there. Roll, roll, roll. I will sit down. Should I be patient and let it drift until I have enough room? It's kind of shifting now, right? It's rotating. It's rotating. Should I give it the pins now? Yes! Yes! Look at it! Woo! And this little branching here might have something to do with the little maneuverability that it had, but that's an easy fix. Okay, now that we know that the performance is pretty appalling, top speed, it doesn't have top speed, let's take some cooler shots of this thing. Okay, now let's see how you use a very expensive drone to get a boat off the wall. Well, that's it. The performance is pretty appalling and it doesn't go fast. It didn't sink, which is a very good thing. So I think we are going to leave it here for this week. So thanks a lot for everything, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. Thanks a lot for your Patreon support. Without your support, this would be not possible. If you are still not subscribed, please consider subscribing, because if you don't, you are going to miss these kind of things. Don't forget to send a Printa Pro some love, because they sent me the filament to do this amazing stuff. And now please go and make something! There was a frog in there. That might have something to do with the color of the water.